How to factory reset iPhone without Apple ID password. Tip number 1. Factory reset iPhone with Apple ID. Go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings. Enter your screen passcode. You may need to enter your Apple ID and password to turn off Activate Lock and delete the device from Find My iPhone. Tip number 2. Factory reset iPhone with iTunes. Put your iPhone in recovery mode. Also, here is the instructions. Connect iPhone to computer with USB cable. Run iTunes or Finder and restore your iPhone. Note: if Find My iPhone is on, it doesn't work. Tip number 3. Factory reset iPhone without Apple ID password. Run any unlock and select Unlock Apple ID feature. Connect your iPhone or iPad to the computer with USB cable and click Start Now. Next, click Unlock Now and wait for a while. When process completed, set up your iPhone and done. Note: if Find My iPhone is off, you won't lose any data. If not, data will be erased.